So guys, let me show you how to set up timer on your Garmin Enduro 2 watch. So let's get started. Firstly, let's press and hold this menu button to open settings. And right here, we just need to click on clocks and then choose timers from the list of other options. Great, now we can set up quick timer by clicking it, choosing time, then confirming by this start button. And then all of your changes will be saved as a quick timer. You can also click restart, or you can disable this feature so it won't restart after it finishes. Also, you can choose sound and vibe. You can choose only vibration, you can set a sound, or you can choose none. Also, let's set a timer. So click here, and now just click this start button to start this timer. Great. And now you can also click here to repeat this timer and click this button again to stop it. And then click menu button and your timer will be saved right here. You can delete it by clicking this option. And that's all for now. I hope this video was useful for you and thank you so much for watching.